up to 60% savings in total cost of ownership. We know what manufacturers in the medical and life science industry need to stay ahead. The medical field is a challenging one, characterized by constant innovation, product development, and design according to value are critical. Ensuring quality and regulatory compliance are key as well. Most importantly, though, medtech supply chains can be incredibly complex in nature. So how do we help our customers beat their competitors while improving their assembly quality process and productivity as well? Let's look at the electromedical diagnostics sector. Whether you've got an MRI, a CT scanner, an X-ray ultrasound machine, or IVD analyzer, our experts support you from the design stage to achieve the shortest possible production time at the lowest possible costs. Bossard can supply you with more than 1 million fastening products available from stock. Together with our network of brands and customized machining parts partners, we are your one-stop shop to consolidate and supply your fastening and assembly components. Our C-Parts management solution, Smart Factory Logistics, allows you to have a leaner and more transparent supply chain, making it possible to achieve considerable savings in transactional costs through digitalized supplier consolidation and smart solutions. Our Smart Workbench system digitalizes your assembly and therefore ensures optimal process control while increasing process reliability and productivity. This in turn reduces production costs in your manufacturing. Stay ahead of your competition and achieve up to 60% savings in total cost of ownership, like our 800+ global medical and life science customers. Contact us and find more information on www.bossard.com.